Okay, assignment 2, video 3. At this stage right here, we have the AutoCAD points converted to Civil 3D Cogo points. The next step is to create a surface called existing ground. To do that, we go to the Prospector tab, go to Surfaces, right-click, and click on Create Surface. In this area right here, I didn't ask you to change the layer, so that's fine. What we'll do is change the name of the surface to existing ground. The style that we're using right now by default is the 2 meter and 10 meter background. What we're going to do is change the style of the surface by clicking on this, and then this will expand and allow us to select a surface style. We shall use this as a template and again copy the current selection. When we click on this, we go to the Information tab and switch this right here to the A2 contours at 0.2 and 1.0 meter intervals. After we've changed the name, we go to the Contour tab, we go down to the contour intervals and click on the plus sign to expand it. We'll take a look at the minor interval and switch that from 2 to 0.2, and when we click on the major interval, that should automatically change to 1 meter. The other thing that I asked you to do is go to the contour smoothing and switch the false to true, and it changed the factor to about 80%, I believe, right there. As soon as that's done, we can go to the display, and what we'll do is we'll turn off the border layer, or the border thing here. We'll go to the major contours, and we have to switch the layer on which it appears. And we switch it to the layers that we specified. A2 contour major for this. And for the minor contour, clicking on that layer, clicking on A2 minor. Click on OK. After these are switched, we can click on Apply and OK. This takes effect to this surface style that we've just created. We click on OK here, and now in our Create Surface dialog box, we see that the name is Existing Ground. The style is switched to A2 Contours 0.2 meter and 1.0 meter. Then we're going to click on OK. As soon as we do that, under the surfaces, we see that the plus sign appears. We expand that. We can see that the existing ground is there. We'll expand that. Under existing ground, we go to the definition. We have to populate our surface, or tell AutoCAD which points to use to define our surface. To do that, we go down to our point groups, right click, and what we want to do is click on Add. Then we go up and we select our existing topo elevation point group and then click on OK. When we do that, the contour should appear like that. This concludes this video. The next video will show how to create a grid, or a set of grid elevations.